In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a logo using Canva, a versatile and user-friendly graphic design platform. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, Canva offers tools to bring your vision to life effortlessly. So, let's dive in and navigate these features together. First off, you'll need to go to Canva's homepage. If you haven't already, sign in to your account. Canva's interface is intuitive, making it easy for you to locate features and start designing right away. Now, once you're logged in and on the home page, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll find a menu there, and what you want to do is click on the plus Create button. This is your gateway to a blank canvas, where your creativity can roam free. For this tutorial, we'll be designing a canvas that's 1080 by 1080 pixels, a great size for social media posts or thumbnails. Adjusting the canvas size sets the tone for your project, ensuring your design meets necessary dimensions. Next, let's have a look at the exciting Magic Media feature located in the menu on the left. Imagine it as your personal assistant, ready to help translate your ideas into visual reality. Here you'll type in a prompt for your logo. Canva provides various style options and orientations to customize your design further. For this demonstration, we'll choose a square orientation, which is versatile for most branding needs. After you've composed your prompt and selected your style, it's time to click on the Generate Images button. Now, patience is key as Canva works its magic. Usually, it takes about 30 seconds to a minute. Before you know it, Magic Media will present you with 4 different logo options, all tailored to the prompt you provided. Explore these options and click on the logo that resonates most with your brand. But hold on, there's another method to consider. Head back to the left side and hover your cursor over the Apps option. Type in Logo to find free applications dedicated to logo creation. We'll use the Logo Maker, a straightforward tool that simplifies the process. Once located, click Open. You'll enter a familiar prompt screen where you can describe the elements you want for your logo. After entering your text, simply click Create. Again, give the system a couple of minutes to generate your logo options. There you have it, your logo, crafted just for you. Whether you opt for Magic Media's intuitive designs or the customizable options from the Logo Maker, Canva offers flexibility to match your creative preferences. And remember, both methods are available for you to explore at any time. With these steps, you're well equipped to create professional and visually appealing logos for all your projects. Happy designing,